Okay, now in this video I'm going to talk about some more simplification like this. Here this 5 is outside this parenthesis, so when you open it get distribute on this and also on this. So 5 times 3x and 5 times 4, and this 4 is going to be the as it. Okay, 5 times 3 is going to be 15x and this is 20 minus 4. Now here the like term is this, like 20 minus 4, so that is going to be simplified. 15x 20 minus 4 is going to be 16. This is your textbook question, and question number 85 I have taken. Now I am going to take some more question so you can understand better. And now the question is like question number 87. The question is 5 times 3x minus 2 plus 12x. Okay, now in this question you can see, okay, this is parenthesis and outside the parenthesis only the 5 is there, so it means it is positive 5, and when you are positive 5 you are distributing inside the parenthesis terms, the sign will remain the same, sign is not going to be changed. Like this 3x is positive is going to be positive, negative will become negative. Okay, so 5 times 2 and 12x will remain the same. 5 times 3 is 15x, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 12x. Okay, now this and this is like term, so I can write together. So 15x plus 12x minus 10. Okay, 15x plus 12 is going to be 27x minus 10. So this how we can solve. Now I am going to talk about one more question, and that question of your textbook is like, okay, I am going to take now the question number 91. So the question number 91 is 5 times 3y minus 2 negative times 7y plus 2. Okay, now in this video what you can see, this is your question. Here you can see this is 5, so this is positive 5, so when positive 5 get distribute this inside the parenthesis, whatever the sign of the terms is there is going to be same as it. Okay, now over here this is negative, so this is going to be open with negative, so here is no number, it means it is going to be 1. So when you open this parenthesis, this 7y is with positive sign, so that is also going to become negative, and this positive also will become negative. Why? Because I am opening with the negative sign. So whatever the terms inside the parenthesis having the sign, that sign will get changed if you are opening with negative. That you need to take care. So this I am going to 5 times 3y and 5 times 2. When you open this is going to be 1 times 7y and negative 1 times 2. So if here both were positive and we are opening with negative, so both become negative. Okay, now 5 times 3 is going to be 15y. 5 times 2 is 10, 1 times 7 is 7y, 1 times 2 is 2. Now this and this is like term will club together and we can write nearby. Okay, and this is like term, so this also I can write together. Now this is 15y minus 7, so that's going to be 8y, and this is negative and negative, so both the terms are negative will become more negative, so will get added both and the sign will be negative, so this is going to be negative 12. Clear? So this is how we have solved the question number 3 questions we have solved, and I am going to solve one more question, and that question is question number 93. Okay, question number 93. First let me write 7 minus 4 3 negative 4y minus 5, and this is okay. So here we go. Okay, this is your question. Can you see the question? Okay, now it's a full question, you can see. Now there are two brackets. First this is square bracket and this is parenthesis. So first I open this part, I will simplify. Okay, so the 4, this I am going to keep it same, and here this parenthesis I am going to open. Okay, before this parenthesis you can see here is negative sign, so when you are opening with the negative, the terms which is inside the parenthesis, the sign will get changed. Like 4y was positive will become negative, so 1 times 4y, and this was negative, so will become positive, so 1 times 5. this over. Okay, now 7 minus 4, I'll simplify one more time. 1 times 4 is 4y, 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, now here we can simplify more because this is and this is like term, so we can add 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 4y. Okay, now you can open this bracket. When you open this bracket, here is negative 4, so this negative 4 is going to be distributed on this and also on this. So this was positive will become negative and this was negative, so will become 4 times 8 and this will become 4 times 4y. Okay, 7 minus 32 plus 16 pi. Okay, now this you can simplify. This is negative 32 and this is positive 7, so one is positive and negative, then what will happen? Subtraction will happen. So from 32 you subtract 7, I have subtracted, so that is going to be 25. And which number is greater? The 32 was greater, so the remaining part is going to be of 32. So negative 25 plus 16y is going to be same. So this way you can solve the question. Next video we see more question. Thank you.